Hi friends, welcome to the channel GN4190. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about The Lizard's Vessel of Hatred update is coming to Diablo 4 by Colin Smith, released 4th October 2024 tech. References Diablo 4 Be Lizard and Engaged. The Vessel of Hatred DLC for Diablo 4 introduces a new Rhine called Nahantu, characterized by its jungle biome with both lush and devastated areas. This expansion continues the storyline from the main campaign, focusing on the character Neyrelle and the Prime Evil Mephisto trapped within a Soulstone. Players can explore new points of interest and engage with the new Spiritborn class, which brings unique abilities and gameplay mechanics. The DLC aims to enhance the overall experience with additional content including new guests, donjons, and lore elements. The Vessel of Hatred DLC is set to release on 7th October 2024 and is available for pre-order. The standard edition is priced at $40 with a discounted price of $36 for Game Pass Ultimate subscribers. There is also an Ultimate Edition available for $90 which includes additional in-game items and a 1-month subscription to Game Pass Ultimate. The expansion can be preloaded on Battle.net, Xbox and PlayStation platforms. Image credit Be listed. Trend themes. Number first, expansive story-driven DLCs. In-depth narrative expansions such as The Vessel of Hatred offer players compelling storylines that integrate seamlessly with the main campaign, providing richer engagement. Number second, innovative class introductions. The introduction of the Spiritborn class with unique abilities and mechanics presents new gameplay and start guides for players to explore. Number third, Biome diversity in game design. The addition of a jungle biome with both lush and devastated areas in Nahantu maps broadens and environmental variety, enhancing visual and interactive elements. Industry implications. Number first, video game development. The development of comprehensive DLCs like Vessel of Hatred underscores the industry shift towards providing continuous content update to maintain player engagement. Number second, subscription. Subscription-based gaming offering discounted prices and exclusive items for Game Pass Ultimate subscribers highlights the growing trend of subscription services in creating loyal customer bases. Number third, digital content distribution. The pre-order and preload availability across multiple platforms like Battle.net, Xbox, and PlayStation showcases the importance of digital platforms in gaming accessibility and convenience. I hope you will enjoy this news. Please subscribe my channel GN Info 190. Have a nice time. Goodbye.